So today I'm going to give you a little tip on rivet guns. They come spring-loaded, which doesn't allow you to keep a rivet loaded. It just wants to fall out. And so what we have been doing for years is remove the spring in there, and then you can load a rivet and it'll actually stay in the gun. So when you're ready to use it, you can pull it out, rivet, eject it, put another one in, and you're good to go. So I'm going to show you the process of removing that spring. It's fairly easy. So the first thing you need to do is pop this little O-ring off. And that opens up to where you can get to the spring. And there is this little pin right here. It's like a little rivet. You need to take something and grind that end off, and then that pin will come out and you can remove the spring. I'm going to do that now. So I took a grinder and just grinded that end off. Should be able to knock that pin right out of there. So I'm going to take a pliers, pull that pin on out. Alright, so after you get the pin out, you're just ready to put this hinge pin back in. Get it lined up. And put your C-clip back on, and I'll probably have to pause the camera for this again. Alright, so now you have a loose rivet gun that when you put a rivet in it, it actually holds and it won't come out. That way you're ready to go.